Welcome back to New Car Updates. Today we're checking out something truly next level, the 2025 Kenworth T680 Motorhome. This isn't your typical truck, and it's not just an RV either. It's a luxury home on wheels, built on one of the most powerful and reliable truck platforms in the world. Stay tuned, because what's inside will blow your mind. Let's start with the design. The Kenworth T680 already had one of the most aerodynamic shapes in trucking, and for 2025, it's even sharper. Up front, you get a redesigned chrome grille, adaptive LED headlights, and smooth body lines that help with fuel efficiency. From the side, this looks like a two-story modern house on wheels. Huge panoramic windows, a rooftop deck, and even a rear balcony make it stand out anywhere you park it. At the back, clean lines and integrated storage compartments keep the look stylish and practical. It's powerful, futuristic, and elegant all at once. Now, performance. Under the hood, the T680 Motorhome is powered by the PACCAR MX-13 engine, with up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That's serious pulling power for a motorhome this size. And thanks to Kenworth's latest aerodynamic upgrades and 12-speed PACCAR automatic transmission, this beast delivers smoother driving and up to 10% better fuel efficiency compared to older models. Whether you're on highways or mountain roads, it's built to handle it. Step inside, and you're instantly in luxury mode. The living room comes with plush seating, a wall-mounted smart TV, ambient LED lighting, and massive windows for natural light. It doesn't feel like a truck, it feels like a modern apartment. The kitchen is just as impressive. You get a full stove with oven, microwave, refrigerator, chrome sink, marble countertops, and sleek cabinets. Even extras like a juicer machine and smart storage solutions are built in. Cooking here feels just like cooking at home. Moving on, the bedroom feels like a hotel suite. A large king-size bed, soft bedding, wardrobes with sliding doors, a vanity with mirror, and yes, another flat-screen TV. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long drive. And then there's the bathroom, complete with a glass shower cabin, rainfall showerhead, modern sink with vanity mirror, and shelves stocked with essentials like soap, shampoo, conditioner, and skincare products. It's not just functional, it's luxurious. The 2025 T680 Motorhome also comes loaded with tech. Up front, the driver's cabin includes a 15-inch digital display, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and voice command features. In the living area, everything is smart home controlled, from lighting and climate to entertainment, all accessible through a touchscreen or even your phone. Some trims also come with solar panels on the roof, giving you extra power for off-grid adventures. It's freedom with no compromises. So there you have it, the 2025 Kenworth T680 Motorhome. A perfect mix of raw trucking power and 5-star luxury living. Whether you're a traveler, an adventurer, or just someone who loves the open road, this machine gives you everything in one package. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest cars, trucks, and motorhomes right here on New Car Updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.